Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this is a quick video on how to export class results. So if you're looking to have a file of your students' classwork, this video is for you. So let's get started. Once logged into your account, click Classroom in the top banner and choose Classes from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your Classes page. Choose the class you'd like the results for and click the name of the class. Once on your class's lesson planner page, click the lesson you'd like results for. The lesson card will then open. From here, click the blue button that says View Student Results. Here you will see all of the students the lesson was assigned to, which are all of the students that will show up on the downloaded file. Once you're ready to export the class results, click the Export button at the top. The site will generate your file and download it onto your device. You can find the file wherever your device automatically stores its downloads. That's it for this video on how to export class results. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.